We saw a negative lead from Wall Street after retail sales fell for the third month. Fears of a trade war are still at the forefront of investors' minds, with President Trump looking to trim the US trade deficit with China by $100 billion through tariffs. So on the Australian share market, we did see a weak open. However, the market has improved and coming into the late part of the session, and it looks like the market may even be in the black very soon. If we have a look at sectors though, banks, utilities and energy weighing on the market, and having a look across the market, there are a number of stocks still doing well. In fact, we're seeing an all-time record high for Saracen, Kidman Resources, Altium as well as Nearmaps, but a year low being reached for the prices of toilet paper maker Asaleo Care, Property Trust GPT, Cube Logistics. In the industrial space, iSelect and Fletcher Building. In company news, we've seen the Royal Commission continuing on with Commonwealth Bank in the spotlight today. It's the second day of the Royal Commission and the third consecutive day of losses for all of the big four banks. And Newcrest Mining saying that it is likely to miss full-year production guidance of 2.4 to 2.7 million ounces of gold, and that's due to its Cadia mine. We've seen a closure of that mine due to the tailings dam wall collapse after a recent earthquake. The mine was also closed last year for 3 months due to earthquake damage, but the reopening does depend on the New South Wales government. Newcrest Mining shares not doing too badly today, but the shares are already down 8% this week compared to the gold subsector, which has lost 2.5%. And next week, we will see some of the half-year numbers still flowing through. Myer will be in focus on Wednesday. And some of the things to watch is a dividend possibly going to zero, and also the debt covenant to see whether the company is within covenants or how close it is to those covenants. Given that the last update, we did see sales deteriorating, with total sales in January down 6.5%. So all in all, the Australian share market starting off on a negative note, but slowly looking like it may climb back into the black. Today is also quarterly options expiry, and that's leading to higher volumes and a little bit more volatility than normal.